Hi guys, I'm here again with a new hair tutorial, but before I start this video I need you to subscribe to my channel and click the notification icon. I'm going to start off by sprinkling water on my hair. I just finished co-washing my hair, so I just need to add more water so my hair doesn't get dry. I'm going to go in with my gap tooth comb to properly detangle my hair and to ensure that I don't cut off all my hair. Also, I'm just going to go in with my rat tail comb to give my hair 3 good, neat, clean sections. It might not be that perfect, but I tried my best. Also know that while trying to part your hair, always ensure that the parts that are very visible for people to see should be very straight. Then you can just do the remaining part as you like, but the part that people would always see. Oh no, I broke my comb. I broke the rat tail comb. No. I still use it like that. So I'm just going to secure the back part, then secure the middle part. This is not the final result. I'm just securing them so that I can actually work on each part comfortably. Okay, now let's start. I'm going to go in with Eco Styling Gel. I know what you're thinking, but I didn't write it off. So I'm going in with Eco Styling Gel. I try as much as possible to use little gel as possible, not to beat my hair with gel all through. I use less gel. Now I'm going to go in with my denim brush to give my hair that clean, sleeky look. I'll brush it very well so it's very neat and neatly done, and to achieve that shine I want. And I make my hair into a bun. I don't just release the tips, I fold it in so it becomes a little bun. So I'm going to do same method to the remaining part. Add the gel, brush it up, secure it in a bun, then voila. And also notice I try as much as possible to brush my baby hair, because that's the most prized, I'm saying opposite right now, most prized asset of my when it comes to my hair, because those baby hair, they give me headache. Now to the last part, which is the most exposed part of my hair. I'm just going to brush up the front and ensure that I brush the gel properly, and my baby hair, I smoothen it as much as I can. That's the best I can do with that baby hair. I cannot do anything more than that. that back one isn't looking so fine, so I'm just going to do it again. Fold it. I don't know if you can see clearly, but I think it's good. Now let's go to the next part, which is adding the extension. That'll be right after I brush or gel it a little. Now I'll be using the expression kinky. I know kinky is K-I-N-K-Y, but this is king, K-I-N-G-K-Y. So expression kinky. Okay, now I'm just going to use, for this style I'm going to just use one pack, and I just take like 5 strands. I don't know if I should call it strands, but not the strands, you know, like literal strands. Like just pick like 5 of it and fix it with my band. So at this stage, what I'm just going to do is, this is just so simple, I just roll it. After rolling it, I try to fix it. This first one, I roll it forward, then I fix it behind the bun to make the back hook. If you feel it's kind of wiggly and not strong, you add more bobby pin to it, because the last thing you want is for it to just loosen in public, then you be the talk of the town. Then I'm going to do the same for the second one, but this time I'm rolling it backwards so as to cover the bun I made with my natural hair. Now I'm going to add the third one, and I'm going to do the same thing. I'm rolling it backwards, but this time I'm using the roll to cover the natural hair bun that I made. I'm just going to roll it across it, then pin it down. Now I'm going to add the fourth one. And roll it backwards to cover the space that you can see over there. There should be no gap. Even if there will be gap, it will be very, 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 very small. Now I'm going to secure that with a bobby pin. Is it bobby pin or bobby pin? Whatever. Now for the last one. I try to brush it with my denim comb to make it have a little frizz, not just straight like the way you know it to be. So like that hair is messing up, so I need to secure it a little bit further so it doesn't just mess me up in public. By the way, this hairstyle lasted me for 6 days. I kept re-rolling it all over and over, but the gelled part was the same way. I just kept adding gel and brushing it, and voila, I'm good to go. I just re-roll the hair extension, and that's all. So you can try this. It could last you a week if you know how to maintain it, and if you're ready to do it all over and over again, but without doing all the stress. It can last you for 3 days without doing anything, just gelling the front. As usual, this baby hair would always show itself, so I have to regel and regel and regel again for the purpose of this video. how to slick the baby hair. Funny enough, the hair is cooperating. I don't know. God has touched the life of this baby hair. Is this my hair? Hallelujah. This brush has seen better days. So I'm just going to add some bobby pins, carry it a little bit further, ensure that I have insurance and assurance at once. Okay guys, this is the final look. I hope you like it and I hope you enjoyed this video. Just thought I should bring you this quick one, and I'm loving it. This hair lasted me for 6 days and it was the talk of the office. Hope you like this video. Subscribe, click the notification icon. If you have a suggestion of any video you'd like me to make for you, put it below. I want good comments and I also love constructive criticism. Hope you like this video. Share with your family members, share with any lady you know. Do have a lovely day. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Look out for my next video somewhere, or just click the notification icon so that you'll be notified. Don't stress yourself. Okay, love you. Bye.